Hello and welcome to another episode of Storware Academy. My name is Paweł Piskorz and I am P-Sales engineer at Storware. Today, installation. OVA install on RHV. Let's do it together. Best way to start installation OVA on RHV is open our documentation. Link will be available in description below. So, where you need to go? Deployment. Here, installation tab. Find virtual appliance and full instruction is over there. RHV OVIRT OLVM virtual appliance. So the next step is to download and upload image directly into RHV host storage. I already done that before the presentation, so let's focus right now on the RHV manager. My RHV is over there, so compute, virtual machines, right top corner, 3 dots, import. Now you need to select proper cluster. In my scenario that will be default one. Choose a source, so OVA installation, point where you upload your OVA, in my scenario host one, and provide a proper path. And click load. Now we need to wait. Okay. Select, move virtual machine to import, next. Now, in your scenario will be different. In mine, I need to select a proper storage. I can change a cluster, CPU profile, policy allocation, but also look on the brief information, general information, how the machine will be looks like. So I can rename it, select proper operating system and see how many or how much resources will be consumed by this virtual machine. By default, 10 GB of RAM, 8 CPUs. Quick look on the network as well as on the disk. In this installation, this OVA by default will be 2 drives, one used as a binaries, so that the first one, and second one will be used as a backup destination as well as staging space. Ready to go? Execute. And now we need to wait. Okay, looks like our machine is properly imported. So now from the list, let's find it. Yes, and we need to run it. Okay, Storware Backup and Recovery. Looks like it's boot up properly. So, IP over there, browser, HTTPS at the beginning, and provide IP address. Okay, so let me log quickly with default user name and password. And there you have it. Welcome message. Next step, license. Of course, license. So the best way to download license is to visit our website, storware.eu, or contact with us directly. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in another episode.